Hello everyone, welcome to our next lesson. Today we're looking at polynomial functions and their graphs. So I've got this particular question that is talking about a polynomial, we'll call it p of x, that is degree of 5. Now it says that it has a root of 2 plus I. It also says it has a tangent at 2, 0, and it intersects the coordinate axis at -1, 0, and 0 forward. So let's just try to get a little bit of a visual there. Well, it intersects at -1, 0. It intersects at 0, 4. It's got a x-axis as a tangent at 2, 0. So at 2, 0, you know that there is a tangent line. And it's a degree of 5. So let's just see. Well, it's going through this point. It's going through this point. Okay. It hits this point. But then there's a tangent line, so it's going back up. It's a degree of 5, so it looks something like this. I'm not sure if that's exactly how it looks. It's possible that it could go like this. Anyways, there's different ideas. But that gives you kind of a little bit of a visual. So, let's look at it. Well, we've got a root at 2 plus I. So we've got a root at 2 plus I, which means we also have a root at 2 minus I, the conjugate. We've got a root at -1. So let's just write some of this down. P of x, we know it's equal to x plus 1, because -1 is one of them. This one here, we've got x minus 2, but because it just touches, it means there's 2. It's like saying y equals x minus 2 squared. Well, there's only one solution, 2, and therefore both the solutions are there. So it's x minus 2, x minus 2. Okay? So if I got a visual of that, it's just touching, therefore there's 2 solutions right there. So there's 3, and the fourth and fifth is x minus 2 plus I. And, I'll just get rid of this little drawing, x minus 2 minus I. Now, I don't know what kind of drawing. I gave you 2 versions of what it could look like. Could be this, could be this. I don't know. So I'm going to have to put an a value because I don't know how it's stretched out. Okay, well let's play around with this. So p of x is equal to a x minus plus 1 x minus 2 squared. I'm going to multiply this out. So what do we got? X squared. Oh, maybe I'm going to... Let's just do this. Minus 2 minus I times x minus 2 plus I. So I don't make a mistake. So p of x is equal to a times x plus 1 x minus 2 squared, which becomes x squared minus 2x plus xi minus 2x plus 4 minus 2i minus xi plus 2i plus 1. I times I is -1, and negative makes it a positive, so you have 1. Whew, that's a long one. So p of x is equal to a times x plus 1 x minus 2 squared. Let's look at this. 2x, 4x. So we've got x squared minus 4x. So that's that gone, that gone. This and this cancels out. This and this cancels out. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, we're almost there. The only thing we have to do now is find the a value. So, let's go back to our question. Do we have any more information? Oh, we've got the point 0,4. So if we've got the point 0,4, so when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to a times 1 times -2 squared plus 5, so times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, so 4 divided by 20, 1/5, so A is equal to 1/5, and therefore our answer is P of x is equal to 1/5 x plus 1, x minus 2 squared, x squared minus 4x plus 5. Hope that helps. Have a good day.